Hello guys, welcome back. Till now, our student management system is working perfectly. We can add, update, delete and manage students. But if you see the design, it looks plain and boring. In real web apps, design and user experience matter a lot. Nobody likes to use an app that looks like plain text. So in this session, we are going to add Bootstrap for instant professional design, and I will show you how to add our own custom CSS file. If you know a little HTML and CSS, you can customize everything according to your needs. So we will see first how to add a Bootstrap to Laravel. Bootstrap is a ready-made design framework. It gives us nice tables, buttons, forms, navigation bar, all by just adding classes. So where do we add Bootstrap? So in our project, there is a master layout app.blade.php. Inside the head section, we can add a Bootstrap link. So this is the Bootstrap 5.3.3 which we added using a link. That's it. Bootstrap is now available in your Laravel project. We can also add Bootstrap JS, but we need to add in the footer just before the closing tag of body. Now we will see how to add custom CSS file. To add custom CSS in our project, we need to create a CSS folder inside public folder, and inside the CSS create a file by name style.css. Why we need a custom CSS file? Bootstrap is good, but sometimes we want our own style, maybe our own colors, font sizes, or background. So here in this style.css, I have added my own custom style. Save this file. Now we need to link this in app.blade.php just below the Bootstrap. So this is the Bootstrap link which we added just now. Now what I can do is I will link this. I will link the custom CSS. So I have added this custom style.css using the link. Save this file. So we have added after Bootstrap. So now your app loads Bootstrap first, then your custom CSS. If you already know HTML and CSS, you can fully customize everything. For example, if you want different button colors, write your own CSS. If you want a background image, add it in your CSS. If you want more spacing or custom fonts, again add in CSS. Save this file, go to the browser and click on refresh. So now our student management system not only works but also looks professional. You can always style according to your requirements if you have HTML, CSS knowledge. And this is all about adding Bootstrap and custom CSS in Laravel project. If you find this video is helpful for you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next part. Thanks for watching.